Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. I tell myself that everything will end up alright.
Welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole. Good cup of Yorkshire tea. Today we'll be mostly lathing out the bearings and fitting the bearing shaft to the column and making sure that all fits before we make the brackets to fit the steering column into position on the car. Hopefully you enjoy as much as this cup of tea. This bit of the thing, you'll see me lathing the bearing attachment in the end of the shaft for the steering column, and taking my time because obviously it's it's an aluminium shaft, so we don't want it to fly out the chuck and embed itself in the wall. So as you see, I'll be creeping up onto the actual bearing size so we don't lose that.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.
Let me just take a moment to say thank you to Barry for letting us use the lathe. He didn't have to, but he was busy building his saw. I'll pop it up now just to show you the saw he was making.
A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. You're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
He was painting it, I think, at the time. Now he's built it all up and it's working. It's a lovely piece of kit. Basically takes out all the hard work from hacksawing, I suppose. And then I will chop it down and spin it to the other side. Obviously, because the bearing's fitted in that bit of the tube now, we can put more chuck strength onto it and tighten the chuck down. It holds it stronger, so then we can take this side down. Nice, as you see, I'm flying off and there's swarf going everywhere. So just getting the bearing nicely fitted. Just eyeballing it pretty much.
Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it.
After that, I tapped in the bearings, ready for positioning on the car and making the bracket to hold it onto the actual steering column mount area on the underside of the dash. So, and this is what I made earlier. Thank you, Matt. Basically, you saw me making it, so we've now popped in both the bearings so it sits onto the shaft, so we will have a shaft, thank you, going through there and basically sitting onto the steering column, and then the steering wheel sit this side. Back it in. So here's the quick release steering wheel. and we've got the standard Mark 1 Escort insert, so I can weld that onto the steering column like that, so it's all nice and straight and centered, and then do some funkery at the bottom of the steering column area with the UJ. If you pass me the UJ please, Matt. Thank you. So we'll basically fit that at the bottom and then put another one, 20mm one further up. Thank you. Further up, so that will have the other end of this in, and then put a new UJ up there, and it will basically take it away from the engine bay and up to the engine mount bracket, so it's a bit more stronger. We can put a bearing in and there's no play or wobble or anything. It'll be much easier to use. Hopefully that doesn't take too long, because we're getting up to shows soon when it warms up. So obviously you can see I'm in t-shirt and shorts now. So yeah, and my helper today, but yeah, thank you for watching. Enjoy.
Kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright.